The broadcast extension can be used to capture your screen, your web tab, or an application window. You do not need to be running a broadcast or to be signed in to broadcast to use the extension. To use the extension, simply click on the broadcast icon in the extension bar. You will be given the option to select either a tab, application, or your full screen. For this demonstration, we will select Tab, which will capture the current content that we are looking at. This has now captured a screen grab of the web tab we were looking at and given us access to the broadcast toolbar. We can now draw on top of the image. We can change pens and color and undo or redo. You can also delete all images or download the image for future reference.